What are your positions on the two measures and why? David? 1 minute.
Yes. On the two measures, I'm, for reasons of governance, for reasons of good governance, and in support of our representative system, I actually oppose both measures. Measure C, in particular, poses many problems for governance in the future of our city, as well as some of the other things which you've seen, such as a 45-foot height. So there are a number of structural flaws that make that a very challenging, that make it something that I really couldn't support. Measure D is an interesting, in the case of Measure D, what we have there is something that is a project which is follows, I believe, reasonable urban planning guidelines. However, it is the first offer in a negotiation which was never continued. So for that reason, I would like to see that it be worked through the public process.
Thank you, David. The question is, over the years, there has been many efforts and a lot of talk to get Vallco revitalized. Aside from the measures that are on the ballot, what would you do if you were elected to help fix Vallco? I have 1 minute.
I'm a big believer in modern urban planning principles, and so that really means doing things, identifying areas where we want to concentrate development, and then doing that maybe at higher density, higher height, and what that does is that has the effect of giving us the services and things that we need without necessarily having it spread and sprawl across the entire town. That helps maintain the flavor of Cupertino as we know it today while helping us move into the future. That also addresses areas like creating the ability for more affordable housing, because you might build smaller units, you might build units that are apartment style. So the focus, I would really, I'm a big supporter of that. I don't want to see Vallco stay the way it is today. And so those are the things I would focus on as we want to move forward into trying to make it into a place that fully contributes and fully participates in the city. There are so few places we have here. We're completely infill building here. There are so few places, so few opportunities that I really believe that this is one that we don't want to miss out on.